Hello guys, we're about to be reviewing Cody Rhodes. There's him out of the box. Now we're about to take him out of the plastic. There's Cody Rhodes with his belt, and I'm about to take out that. I'm about to take out the head and hands. There's Cody Rhodes with those two hands and an interchangeable head, which is a normal face, and this is the smiling face, laughing type. And don't leave yet, we still have a Stranger Thing to go. It's a mystery blindfold, gooey, upside down type of gooey slime, and inside there's a mystery toy, so we're about to see who we get. I hope that I could get is, what's it called, what was his name? What was his name again? The one I forgot his name, but like the one that was Eleven's friend. Yeah, that one, if you know what I mean. But I don't know what his name though. Which is this Stranger Thing minifigure. Guys, guess what I got? It said upside down, so I had to do it upside down. I thought it was like the upside down ink, but here's the goo pack, and here it is. The mystery figure I got was the Demogorgon. And leave a comment below if you guys like this review or not. Have a great day in the USA. I'm dying into my car. It's literally heat inside. Have a great day in the USA. Peace, guys. And I'll see you at Saturday's main event, where everyone fights. Peace. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my video. Today we just went to Dollar Tree and we just found out these new tie-dye dumplings. And there we have the last and final one. They restocked yesterday, and I got the last one. So, and I also went to five below, and I got myself this apple. This apple. This is a about Smush Mart. Oh, I thought it was a 5. Wait, hold on a second. And we got this Smush Mart. The scented apple Smush Mart. Smush Mart red apple. Try me, it says. And this is the apple. I'm gonna squeeze it real quick. Oh shit. Hi guys, I am playing Human Nature by Michael Jackson. It's okay, guys, you can hear as well. The song is dope. And then after that, why not to get another why not to get another what's it called? Wait, what was this called? Oh, why not to get another Taba Banana? This is a Taba Banana squishy. And yeah, that's it for the haul, but we're about to unbox this scented red apple Smush Mart at when we get to the crib, and we're gonna unbox this dumpling right now and see if we can get lucky to get the tie-dye, which is this. So guys, it's supposed to say RMS at the back, but it's actually not. It's fake. And right now, like, we just changed it. Oh, wait, I was about to open it up, but it's already opened up. Okay, ready? Close your eyes, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look. It's actually fun. Wow, it actually makes it look ASMR. Hopefully you guys got that ASMR. But yeah, I'm sorry guys for the music in the background, but I had to play music. And look guys, look at the cute smile from the dumpling. And it's of course tie-dye edition. And they said tie-dye orb form edition. So yeah, and I actually like this. And guys, it was $3 by the way, so it was actually good. And guys, let me show you guys the packaging. It says Orb Easy. It says Orb Easy Squeezy. Squeezy tie-dye dumpling. You see, Orb Easy Squeezy tie-dye dumplings. So yeah, I got this, guys. I'm really happy because this is the second rarest. Look, so there, second rarest. And we just got this. So my luck is insane, but I wanted the first one, but it's okay, guys. At least we got the second rarest, but bro, this does it when I saw good ASMR. So I'm about to do that ASMR with all my squishies when I'm about to unbox these. Okay, I'll see you at the crib. Peace, guys. Have a good day in the USA as always. Bye.